What's up, guys? It's Nathan here. Today I'm going to be using this furnace thing again. I went out and collected a bunch of coal just from around, so I'm going to run it on coal now. And with coal it gets a lot hotter, so yeah, I'm going to see if I can forge a knife or something. Alright, I just started it up. I'm just going to start it with some wood. I think it just went out. I had some fuel burning in there. I'm actually going to put air in. Alright, I got some coal in there. It's going pretty good now. Once all the wood burns away, then I'll fill it with coal and come back. Alright, we got some coal burning now. Alright, it's going now. I got some coal in there. I just turned the air off because I'm going to put this nail that I found. I'm going to kind of get it in there. Now I'm going to see if I can forge a knife out of it. Just get this in there. Okay. Turns on air. Smells like coal. Turning off air. Pretty nice. Hot. Nice. Cook the crabs on fire. Alright, I'm gonna show you how hot this can get. So, it actually can melt iron. So I have a nail here, pretty big nail. Just gonna stick that in here, in there, okay. Turn on the air. I'll put more coal in it. Alright, we're back. Killing the air. Let's grab this. This is really hard to do one-handed. It gets pretty hot. It actually melted. Not this nail, but I've seen it melt stuff before, steel nails. So I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm gonna set the camera down so I can show you. All right, here we go. Air. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. I can easily bend it. Here, I'll get a smaller piece. Here's a steel tent stake. Stick that in here. Yeah, I melted part of it off. You see that? It used to be longer. Yeah, some little pieces fell off. So yeah, that's that. Gets really hot. So yeah, there's that. Here's the knife I was making. I'm not going to sharpen it and everything in this video. All that stuff, but yeah, this is on coal. Yeah. So thanks for watching, all that good stuff, and peace.